Hello everyone, it's Mami here. I would like to say a big thank you to all of you for supporting my channel, subscribing and showing me your love. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I would like to share with you how I cope. I cut down the stress during this lockdown period. As we all know, this is a very challenging time and it's not easy for us to cope with it because we are not used to it. But I'll share with you how I cope to cut down my stress during this time. I've got 5 tips that I would like to share with you. Tip number 1, when I'm starting feeling stressed, I always sit down and then get my Bible. As I'm a Christian, I'll do some meditation. I'll meditate my Bible. That's really helped me and then lift up my spirit. Tip number 2, when I'm feeling like starting stressing out, I will sit down and then spend time with my family. We can do like some family game. If my husband is around, he also gets involved. We play with the kids and that releases me from stress. Tip number 3, when I'm feeling like stress, grab my phone, call my family member, my friends, find out how they are coping, and then that's also helped me. Tip number 4, when I'm start feeling stressed, I would like to do just what I like to do, or I will dress up and then I feel good. You know, when you dress up, you look good, you feel good in yourself as well. So that's another way of me getting out of the stress. Tip number 5, that's the last one and then the big one. The key one is this: always stay positive. So talk to yourself, this situation is not eternal, it's just a temporary situation, it's gonna pass. Feel good. It's not easy to feel good, but force yourself to feel good, remain positive, and then talk to yourself that this situation is gonna pass and then we'll go back to our normal everyday life and then we'll smile again. If you feel the video was useful, please give us a thumbs up, share, and then don't forget to subscribe. Tell us as well how you cope with your stress during this time. I will see you on my next one. Bye.